here with Mr. Daniels, and we just finished closing on his house. We were purchasing his house, and this is a house he's owned for a long time, and it was finally time for him to move on. And in his own words, I'd just like to ask you, Mr. Daniels, how did you feel the process went?
I think it was smooth, easy. If I had to do it again, I'd definitely do it.
Oh, I thank you for that. Tell us a little bit about your timeline and your situation.
Well, Jordan came in after I went online and, wanted to see if I could buy, somebody could buy the house. He came by, we talked about it, we come up to a price. And this was in November. And I said, Jordan, I can't move till Christmas is over. So he set it up for January the 15th. Then I actually needed a little bit more time, and we finally was able to do it January the 30th. And and that's it. That's all I had to do. Sign the papers, and I'm gone.
And so we had scheduled a closing time, but then you said, I need a little more time to get my stuff out. Is that okay? And that was perfectly fine. We were able to work on your time frame, is what you're saying.
Absolutely. I would definitely recommend them. If I got any friends, I will recommend them if they need to sell their house.
That is the best compliment you could have just paid me. Thank you so much, Mr. Daniels. Appreciate it.
You're more than welcome.